Hello, welcome to Analysis Aided Tools in Excel. Here we'll be looking at some tools considered very important to aid our data analysis in Microsoft Excel in order to generate effective reports that are readable and succinctly convey all we need to communicate in a simple way. This tool, or many of these features that I'm going to talk about in this particular video, and we enhance our business operation data to easily scale, visually appealing, and more dynamic. These tools include insert. We are going to tell you how to insert worksheets, how to rename the worksheet, sheet color, sheet tab color, duplicate worksheet, and how to delete worksheet in Excel. Remember, Microsoft allows insertion of additional worksheet into workbook. The simple way to do this is just locate an plus sign here beside this sheet you have here. Click on it. That's one way. Automatically you have another sheet. You can see new sheet is playing. Click on that plus. See, I have another sheet 3. So now good. This is a new sheet. That is how to add new sheet. Then one thing again is that having known how to add, sometimes we may not like sheets or whatever, so we learn how to rename our sheet. Even this sheet 1 now, I can just say, okay, let me rename this one to be dashboard. Okay, that's how to rename them. Let me rename this one to be data bank. Let me go with data bank. Okay, so that is how to rename our sheet. You can see now it's giving the descriptive name that make our analysis very easier. So whoever looking at this report will know, okay, on this sheet is dashboard that display whatever that happens, and the data bank is the sheet that is feeding the dashboard the necessary information. So having known how to insert, we know how to rename, but sometimes we like to use some color as well, so that we give it a color that will kind of making our work to be more visual appealing. So for instance, I may decide, okay, now to do that, right click, then move to tape color, pick whichever color you choose you wish here. So now I think I will go for this dark blue. Then here again you can see, let me do the same thing and repeat the same process for this one. So this one I'm going for, okay, orange accent. Okay, so now you can see it's making our work more visual appealing, kind of. So you can see it's very, very easy and so simple to do. But these are the things we don't normally consider very important, but it helps a lot in making our report to be more readable and clearly explain what we intend to communicate. So, and the next one on the list there is how to duplicate sheet. So now I have this data bank and I wish to duplicate it to make it 2. So all I'll just do is to right click on it, click on move or copy. So here, for instance, there are 2 things involved here. You create a copy, that's how to duplicate. But now what I want to do is that, where do I want it to be? Is it before this dashboard or data bank? No, move to an end. That is if it is on the current sheet. So but in a case whereby I want it in another sheet entirely, all I'll just do is to come here, click here. If it is book 1 or new book entirely, so that outside this kind of, so you select that one, then you click OK, it goes to that place. But where I need it now is on this analysis areas, and I want it to be at the last. So what I'm now doing, having done that, you click OK. So you can see we've already succeeded in duplicating the sheet. That is how to duplicate sheet. And the last we are still going to talk about is that we want to know how to get rid of sheet that we don't want. Possibly how to delete sheet is what I really mean by that. Now to do that, let's delete this sheet. You right click then you go to delete and you click on delete. That will ask you can undo deleting sheet, and you might be removing some data. If you don't need it, click delete. Yes, I don't need it, click delete. Wow, that is it. So I've told you how to insert sheet, how to rename sheet, how to color the sheet tab, and how to duplicate sheet, and then how to get rid of unwanted sheet also. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.